Here's a piece of 2x10, all right? How would you get that to block that hole so the concrete won't come out?
I would scribe it probably, but then how to fasten it, I'm still at a loss.
Well, scribing it, I agree with. As far as fastening it, I'll show you that. But now you're going to scribe this in, and you got to remember one thing. This is going to be concrete that we're trying to hold back. So this isn't finished trim, so a scribe doesn't have to be that exact. What I mean by that, the aggregate in the concrete, it could be 3/4 or 1/2 inch stone. That's going to fill a pretty good gap. But now I want to see you figure out how to get that in there and have this flush with the wall like that. All right?
Well, I'll give it a shot.
All right. So you're going to eyeball it, right?
Right.
Okay. All right, now you're being way too fussy. We want this to be in here at this plane and straight across. So you see how far out that is right there? Okay, so if you measure from this point over, okay, now we have 8 inches. That's the number that we want. And we're going to take it from this edge, measure 8 inches over at the height of the stone. So from this edge, go over 8. There you go. Okay, so now you're going to use your tape measure as a scribe. You can use a scrap piece of wood, but you have your tape measure in your hand. Lock it down, take the tape measure, and you're going to go keeping it level. You have to keep it level. And that was 1 3/4 inches roughly. Let's go 1 3/4 inches. So you take my tape measure and I keep it level. And now you're going to put a pencil line at 1 3/4 inches. Don't be fussy, just make an axe. We haven't got all day here. There you go. Now we're going to slide it up. Keep it at 1 3/4 inches, all the way up like that, around and in. Okay, so there's the stone. Now you look at the stone, it's on an angle. So that means we have to back cut this. Let the saw do the work. Don't force it, just let the saw do the work. Keep it tipped, keep it tipped. Right around, there you go. Nice and easy, just push it, let the saw do the work. There you go. All right, so let's see how that fits. All right. Put it in there. All right, so look at that. By taking a 2x4 and we put it right across here like this, we can screw right into the wall right here. That's good. And we got to get another one on the bottom. Right down low. Get it right down low. Yeah. Screw it right in there. So there's your lesson in rough scribing. Nice job.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.